Students, last lecture I have discussed with you about how to draft an advertisement by using the language, adjectives, and the other aspects of it. Today we are going to discuss about English for report writing. In business, to write report is very important. A business report is nothing but it is one kind of a written document that provides information and sometimes analysis to assist a business in making informed decisions. Though we think about or when we think about report writing, you should know that what is the main purpose of a business report. The purpose of the business report is to make data that is relevant to the company. What kind of data that is? That is the information regarding efficiency, competition, procedures, easily available to everyone in the company. The report needs to make this data or data easy for the reader to understand. And the best way to do that is to have clearly defined sections with the labels and headings. Information reports provide factual information and do not include any analysis or recommendations. Means if you want to write the report regarding the information or the factual information, as in that report, there is no need to give the analysis or the recommendations. Here is one example of informational reports. For example, financial report include cash flow statements. Means if the manager wants financial report from you, that the financial report includes what kind of basic information, that is the cash flow statement, balance sheet, or the annual financial report required for publicly traded corporations. So stockholders can see how the company is faring financial. Means if you to make it public, for that report should be written. Then business management report, that this is also informational report that deals with the reports about labor expenses, web traffic, or customer satisfaction survey response. Compliance information reports. In these reports, a company demonstrates it is complying with the required regulations. For instance, those regarding the financial, the management. Next is the present research from a study report generally summarizes a research study that has information or finding that is relevant to the business. Then situational reports, they are very important. Means at every situation Regarding the business situation, we have to write the report, and that should be written in English. Here, situational reports are generally written to the supervisor regarding a business situation. To whom the situational reports are written? To supervisor, including what it was, how it was handled, and how it impacted the business. Means for which purposes the situational reports are written. Suppose we have to write, or you have to write the such kind of the informational report. What kind of the points are needed here? And here parts of a business report. First is the title. Report must have title indicating the subject of the study. What is the subject of the study? The title should be depended on, or title should be related to the subject on which you are going to write the report. Like other titles, these titles are in the form of a phrase, not a sentence, but like other titles, they are not short. They can be long because they include a place and period with the subject. Title, subject or a title should not be sentence. It should be phrase, but it should not be short. Here one example is given there. Report on decline in the sale of bikes in Maharashtra between January and June 2018. Means title is very important for the report. Second point is that, or part is that, the reference. Details who assigned the task to you. Means with reference to your letter, with reference to your call, with reference to your order, with reference to your suggestion, with reference to your letter. Means who assigned that task or the work of writing report to you, on what day, and how your appointment was made. That is by a resolution at the meeting or by a letter or an office order. That reference should be there. Then third point is that the introduction. It is very important. The introduction sets the stage for what is included in the report. Introduction means beginning. That in the introduction point, you should include what is the report about. It highlights the major topics that are covered and provide the background information on why the data in the report was collected. Very specific, very simple language. Then the body of that the report. Main point, that means main content. The body of the report describes the problem for which you are going to write a report. Then data that was collected. How the data was collected and discussion was made, and the major findings. This should be included in the body. The body may be broken into subsections with subheadings that highlights the specific point to be covered in a subsections. Means the report is a host as we try to make the sections by point wise, specific points. Means that this structure, subsections, will make the report easier to read and understand to others to whom you are going to write. And here the conclusion. Conclusion deals with or explains that how the data described in the body of the document may be interpreted or what conclusions may be drawn. Means by the having the report, by having the data, what kind of conclusion you have written, you have made. That is very important. And the conclusion which you have made suggests how to use the data to improve some aspects of business. And what are your recommendations for that? That's all. What kind of research you have made on it, and what kind of your suggestions or the recommendations that should be included is in the conclusion. Then the reference. The references or the reference section lists the sources or resources used to research to collect the data. What kind of resources, what kind of sources you have used to collect the data for that report. Means these references can provide the proof for your points and enables reader to review the original data resources themselves. And that the appendix. Appendix actually it is an optional element or the part that may be additional technical information that is not necessary to explanation provided in the body or conclusion, but supports your findings, such as charts, the table, tree diagrams, then additional research not cited in the body, but that is relevant as to the discussion. Okay. Now, report should be concise and factual. Report should be short. It should not be vast. It should not be complicated. It should be easy. As in that report, opinions should be given in the conclusions. Means what are your opinions? Don't give your opinions in the body of the report. It should be come under the conclusion. However, this opinion should be based on the fact present in the finding. Your opinion should be based on the facts which are presented as in your finding. And most important thing is that when you are going to write a report, you should use basically or usually simple present tense to express the facts. Use the imperative sentences, imperative form. That is very important. For the suggestions, for the recommendations, it is very essential to use the imperative sentences. Here is a report, for example. Suppose you have been appointed as a chairman of the inquiry committee and write a report on working of the Nagpur branch. Here is one is model, that is one. Specimen of the reports. Report is written the managing director to the MD, XYZ Pens Limited. The title, what is that title? A report on working of Nagpur branch. See how it begins or the introduction. In accordance with your instructions by telephone, means reference, why you are going to write or by which reference you are going to write the report. With reference or in accordance with your instruction by telephone on 4th June 2018, I visited the Nagpur branch for a surprise inspection last week. That is the introduction you try to understand here. I observed the working of the branch office for 3 days and also inspected the office and the records. Means I have visited that Nagpur branch on the 4th June 2018 and I have stayed there for 3 days. I have gone through the various documents of the office. I am sorry to report that the branch office is run in a most unsatisfactory manner. Means that is the first. Means what you found there. Okay. When I reached, see that. When I reached the branch office on the 10th June at 10:15, which is 15 minutes after opening time, I found that there were only peons, or there was only peon and 2 clerks. Taking me for a client, they informed me that the office work starts only at 11. The manager, Mr. R.S. Tyagi, arrived at 11:30. Mr. Tyagi, who himself is not punctual and is unable to maintain and discipline among the office. What is complaint of the customer? Then what is the punctuality is of the manager? And what kind of discipline he has maintained or not? That information is given there. The stock register and the account which you have checked or through which you have gone, the stock register and the account books have not been properly maintained. What things you found there? कोणत्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला आढळल्या? Means account books as well as the stock registers have not been properly maintained for the last 3 months. It also appears that this is a simple present tense used, perfect present tense is also used. It also appears the office stationery and small articles are freely used and taken away by the staff. The general indiscipline, if not controlled at once, is likely to result in heavy losses. If such behavior or such discipline is not controlled, it will be out of control. Already there is a loss of business since many of our clients have turned to the another competitors owing to the poor service rendered means given by our branch office. Then since or as the situation is quite bad, it will be necessary to take drastic steps to restore the discipline in the office branch. Means the situation is very bad, so that we have to take somewhat the decisions, and so that what kind of decision will be taken, as I recommend that Mr. Tyagi should be brought to the headquarters, head office, and kept in a subordinate positions, so that he will not get lesson. Mr. M.K. Iyer, Assistant Manager of Pune branch, has proved himself quite able, and he may be promoted as manager and posted at Nagpur. Yes, yours faithfully. Means how that report is written about that. Here is another example, but it is we can find this example as in your textbook on page number 7 of English for a specific purpose. This is the one report. Okay, means how, for example, here is a task is given. The principal of a college has appointed a committee of 2 teachers and 3 students to suggest a new directions in which students co-curricular activities can be developed. Write a committee report. Suppose you are chairman is of that committee and we have to write, and the principal has appointed you. How is we can write a committee report, that is. Or as you are librarian of the college and you have been asked by the principal to suggest reorganization of the college library so as to make the maximum use of the space and facility available, prepare the report recommending the computerizations of the library catalogs and lending systems. Okay, means these are the tasks, and I have given one specimen discussed with some points which are very useful to write a report. Okay, it is better stop here. We can continue with a new point as English for writing email. Okay, it is better to stop here. Thank you very much.